Hi guys and welcome back to the show. Today, Moby the mobile miter station spreads its wings. If you haven't seen the first video yet, I'll post a link right up here. So let's not waste any more time and get right down to it. Where we left off last time, we were building the wings for the miter station. Baby Vader had built himself a spaceship, and I had forgotten to show you the pictures of the completed wings. So now it's time to mount the wings using the piano hinges we fixed in the second episode. Luke, I am Nomad Makes. I have to be honest, guys. I see the point with those self-centering drill bits. I'm going to use piano hinges to fix the wing supports to the carcass as well, so I cut them with my Co-Craft angle grinder. And then it was back to drilling a bazillion pilot holes and screwing the piano hinges in place. I used an offcut of 18mm plywood to support the wing supports. This would help me to get them to the right height. Screwing the wing supports to the carcass was super fiddly, and there must have been a better way of doing this. But with some patience I managed to get them fixed to the carcass. So now the wings fold out and get supported from the underside by the wing supports. I think it kinda looks like a stingray. I didn't want the wing supports flapping about, so I screwed some hooks into them to attach them to the carcass when not in use. I wanted the wing supports to support the wings in a more or less the center, so I made some stops for them. So there we have it, guys. Moby the mobile miter station X-Wing Stingray is nearing completion. I still need to put a back panel onto it for structural integrity, and I have received the rebate bit in the mail. I have never fixed a back panel using a rebate bit, so I want to try that out for this project. Before we call it a video, I would like to share some footage with you guys of me actually using the miter station. Here I am cross-cutting some oak that I'm going to use in an upcoming project. I'll say that Mobi the Mobile Mother Station X-Wing Stingray is now more or less complete. Of course, there's the back panel and the bells and whistles, but I think we have more important projects for now, but that will be the subject of videos to come. I'm sad to say it's that time again, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to leave a thumbs up. If this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you want to support me, there's a link to my Patreon as well as Amazon links to products I use and recommend below. Cheers, guys, and I catch you in the next one.